welcome to our Bonfire Night celebrations. We're celebrating the life of Guy Fawkes. He was actually a terrorist. Ceremony now just to celebrate our lives. We build bonfires and we put a guy on the top. The guy represents Guy Fawkes. We want to burn him for his terrorist role. But now it's just good fun, so let's all enjoy it.
Bonfire.
Remember the 5th of November.
Gunpowder, treason and
Remember the 5th of November.
พูดแต่ชื่อว่าผมสปอร์ต
Remember the 5th of November. Remember.